Hello my dear friends, today I'll explain to you how we convert decimal system to the hexadecimal and then by calculation mean hexadecimal to the decimal system. Now please subscribe my channel as a request to you. Okay. Now before going to numerical problems, remember that decimal systems. In decimal systems, we use the 10 digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the total are 10. In hexadecimal systems, we use 16 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now total becomes 10 because 0 is included. 10. Okay, then 6 more. A represents to 10, B represents to 11, C represents to 12, D represents to 13, E represents to 14, and F represents to 15. So 0 to 15 mean total 16 symbols, right? This is what the hexadecimal number system is. So again remember 10 represents to A, 11 to B, 12 to C, 13 to D, 14 to E, 15 to F. Now, let me coming to the numerical problem. We have to solve 8 to 9 point. We to solve 8 to 9.7625 decimal into the hexadecimal systems. Decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal mean to the base 16. So now what's the solution? Now the problem is 8 to 9.7625, decimal mean to the base 10, and to convert it into the hexadecimal to the base 16, right? Now what's the procedure? Go on dividing by 16. So if you divide 8 to 9 by 16, what you'll get 8 16 into 51. 16 into 51 becomes 816, with the remainder left 13. So we write first of all 51 here, remainder is 13, and again dividing 51 by 16. So 51 is divided by 16, you will get 3, remainder is 3 again. So 3 here and 3 here. Now divide 3 by 16, you will get 0. You will get 0 and remainder is 3. Right? So this is the most significant bit and this one is the least significant bit. Okay. So you'll go up, down to up. Most significant bit is 3, this one is the least. But remember, 13 in hexa system is D. So it becomes 3, this one 3, then this one 3, then last 13. 13 mean, it is D. Look here, this 13 is D. So answer becomes 3D in hexa system. Very simple. Go on dividing by 16. Okay. Now coming to the fractional part in the decimal system. What's the fractional part is here? The fractional part is 0.7625. Now what's the procedure? The procedure is go on multiplying by 16. Okay. When you multiply 16, what you'll get? You'll get, 12.2000. So this is 12 integer, this is fraction. Now this fractional part is again multiplying by 16. Only fractional part, not the integer. So only 0.20000 into 16. What you'll get now? You'll get here you will get here 3.2000. So 3 is the integer. Okay, there's a fraction. Again multiplying by 16. Again multiplying by 16. Okay, again multiplying by 16 and go on. There's no end. Because otherwise the procedure is you go on multiplying till here comes 000. But if you don't have at the end 000, you can stop the calculation after, like here is a 1 2 3. You can stop it after 4 or 5 or after 6 places. Okay. And whatever the number of places you number of number of So if you don't get 000, you can stop the calculations after 5 or 6 places. Maximum places you use, the more accurate the result will be. Okay, this to remember. So it is my advice that you go at least 5 to 6 places if you don't get the 000 at the end. Right? So 12 is the 12 is the most significant bit and this is the least significant bit. So your result is, what is the 12? 12 represent to C now. So it is C33. So in the hexa system it is C33 and then the dot C33. Now why this line? This line shows that the calculation is not complete. The calculation is incomplete and we are taking only some places. Okay, so that's why this represents this bar. Okay, so our answer becomes, the result becomes 8 to 9.7625 of decimal system. We are having now 330.C333 and dot, that's mean no end. So now just to see what's the back calculation. Back calculation is, let 33D point C333. Okay, this is hexa system and we to find in the decimal system. So let's consider first of all the integral part of the hexa system, that is C3D, and what to do then. You go on multiplying by 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 2 and so on. And just doing mathematical calculations. That's why is now to find the number, the 6768, that's a 48, then plus you know what the D represents. D represents to 13. So 13 into 16 to the power 0 means 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So just summing up, that becomes 8 to 9. There's the answer. Very nice. Now coming the fractional part of the hexa system. The fractional part is 0.C333 and so on. Okay. Now what we do now, we write separately like C333 like that, and multiplying 16 to the 16 raised to power minus 1, 16 raised to power minus 2, 16 raised to power minus 3, 16 raised to power minus 4. That's power minus 1 means 1 over 16 like that. Now just simplifying it. Simplifying 16, 16 to 5, 6, 16, 16, 16. I'm doing calculation very quickly. 4096. Can you do? If you can't, then write me in the comments. I'll tell you the short tricks. Now just simplifying it, 0.75 and so on. There's a divisions. Go on adding up all. Again the answer will be approximate because while conversion from decimal to hexa, we don't get in case of the fractional part at the end the 000. So that's why here we'll not get the very accurate result, but it is approximately 7625. If adding all the numbers, then we'll get 6.7625. So that's the back calculations. I think it's very easy. Okay. Hence our result is 829.7625 in the decimal system. Now try yourself. 72905.949443359 decimal to octa. I say my advice, please don't take the help from the video. First of all, you do yourself, then you check your answer with while playing the video. Okay, now go on dividing by 16. So 7290516, it is 45556. Then you will get here. Okay, now the remainder is 9. So right here 4556. The remainder is 9. Go on dividing by 16 again to 4556. 4556 dividing it by 16, you'll get here now 264. 264 is becomes 4544. Remainder is 12. Okay, that is 284, no 64, 284. Remainder is 12. Now again dividing 284 by 16, you'll get 17 now. 17 and the remainder is 12. 17 and remainder is 12. Again dividing by 16 is 1 and remainder is 1. Again you go on dividing till you get the 0. Okay. Now you know that which one is the most significant bit and which one is the least. Okay. This is the most significant bit and this is the least significant bit. So the answer becomes now 72905 decimal to the is the 1. This is most significant. Okay. 9 is least significant. So this is the most significant, this one is the least significant. The results becomes 1, 1, 12. Instead of 12, you'll write what? 12 represents to C. This 12 represents to C. So C, then 9. Okay, is hex hexa number systems. Now coming the fractional part. Coming to the fractional part is a 0.9443359. Go on multiplying by 16. I think you can do the multiplication. Nah? It's very easy. So it's 15 point something. 15 is integer. Again multiplying 16 only the fractional part, not the whole. 16 multiplying by only fractional part. So you'll get this number. So again multiplying only the fractional part by 16. Go on till you left 0, 0, 0 at the end. If you don't get, then stop after 5 or 6 places. So 11.99 is approximately 12. Or you can assume that 0, 0, 0 will get, and 12 represents to C. Okay, 15 is most significant bit and 12 is the least significant bit. So 15, 1, 12. What's the 15? 15 is F. 15 is F. Okay, F, then it is 1, then 12. 12 is what? That C. So this is, this is fractional part in the hexadecimal system. Now the last one is the back calculation. So our result is, we'll get this decimal systems in, this decimal system into the hexa system, 11cc9, then point F1c into the hexa system. Now the back calculation, mean hexa to what there again decimal. So write down first of all integer, go on multiplying 16 raised to power 0, 16 raised to power 1, 16 raised to power 2, okay, and like that. 16 raised to power 0, 16 raised to power 1, 16 raised to power 2, 16 raised to power 3, 16 raised to power 4. I'm simplifying it, and try it yourself, and you'll get back 72905. Very simple. Now coming the fractional part. What was the fraction? F1c. So writing first of all the number, what we mean by F. F mean by 15. This is 15, then 1, and what is C? C mean it is 12. Okay, because the fractional part go on multiplying 16 raised to power minus 1, 16 raised to power minus 2, 16 raised to power minus 3. 16 raised to power minus 1 mean 1 over 16. Now simplifying it and adding up all, you will get the answer back. Okay, you will get the same answer. So this is how the procedure is. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching my video. So it's my request, please subscribe my channel and tell me if you're having further questions in your mind, and you can write in the comments. Okay, thank you. Hello my dear friends, today I'll explain to you how we convert decimal system to the hexadecimal, and then by calculation mean hexadecimal to the decimal system. Now please subscribe my channel as a request.